Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize more security and privacy. Scroll down again to localize credential storage. Then let's tap on remove all user certificates and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.